Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I told I was going to show y'all how to make the perfect buttered, fluffy, buttered white rice that I make religiously. Anytime I do, matter of fact, I got some smothered pork steaks in the refrigerator. Not in the refrigerator. In the stove oven right now cooking. And I want to have some white rice with it. Also, I got my old school... got about 6 yards of this left. I made this last summer, y'all. Nice green beans with potatoes in it. Old school green beans. Look at it. Can't go wrong with that. String beans, potatoes, canned green beans. I'm going to have that and some white rice and some smothered pork steak. Now, see, I'm going to show y'all a video how I do my white rice. Now, there's all different kinds of rices. But the rice I use on a different, get it right, Chef Jeffrey, on a regular basis is regular long grain enriched rice. Meaning this rice here has lots of nutrients in it. When it's enriched, that's why I do not enrich my rice. People say, do you enrich your rice? No. In the food industry, in the kitchen where I recently retired from a couple of years ago, this is the rice we use on a regular basis. We use, of course, Uncle Ben's. It's called Ben's rice now. But regular enriched long grain rice, that's what I use when I make rice pudding, when I make my rice with smothered whatever. This is what I use. That's what I have right here. It's simple, easy way to make flawless rice. When we do in the kitchen, it's 2 to 1. 2 part liquid, 1 part rice. I got 2 cups of rice here, meaning I'm going to use 4 cups of liquid. You can use chicken stock, beef stock, water, milk, whatever you want to use. It's 2 to 1. You can't screw it up. Very simple, very easy. That's what I have right here. You measure out 2 cups of rice, then you measure out 4 cups of liquid, bring it to a boil, stir it a little bit until the liquid pretty much is gone. I put a little butter in mine. I cover it, set it on the stove, 10, 15 minutes. You're going to have nice fluffy rice every time. Guaranteed, y'all. I religiously tell you this. So anyway, again, I do not rinse my rice when I use long grain enriched rice. I do not rinse it because it has lots of nutrients and stuff in here I do not want to rinse out. Stuff like basmati, tamaki, rice like that, you rinse the starch off for a particular reason because you want a more stickier rice. So that's the reason I do not rinse my rice, because of that. So that being said, we're going to move over here. I got a pot here. And we're going to make some rice, y'all. Like I said, I got 2 cups of rice. Meaning, I'm going to use 4 cups of liquid. Now, you can use chicken stock. That's 2 cups. Four cups right there. We're going to bring this to a boil. Kind of stir it around there, kind of loosen it up. And I'm going to stir this, not all the time, but maybe I'm going to check once it comes to a boil, I'll stir it maybe 3 or 4 times. Just to make sure it's not sticking together, but you don't have to stir that much. Now we're going to put a little salt and pepper in here. That's well. Now you can put chicken stock if you want to. Of course, we cook rice and chicken stock. Put a little salt and pepper, then I'm going to put salt and butter at the end. And let it sit, y'all, and that's it. Like I said, I'm going to eat this with some smothered pork steaks I got in the oven. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'll be right back and show y'all the process. Old school, hot, buttered, fluffy rice. Very simple method, y'all. It's foolproof. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, this come to a boil. All I'm going to do, y'all, we're going to stir this maybe every 5 minutes or so, maybe 6 minutes, because there's nothing much you don't want to stir it too much, but we're just going to let it come to a boil. I'll put the lid on there halfway like that, and I'm going to just let it come to a boil. I'll stir it every 5 minutes or so until the liquid evaporates out of here, or however you want to say it. And after that, I'm going to put a little butter in there after the liquid go down, and I'm going to cover it up for 10, 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes or so. Just cover it with a lid and let it set. And then I'll come back and we'll fluff it up. It's very simple, y'all. I'm telling you. Some people are intimidated by rice or whatever. Of course, we used to make rice every day at my job. Exactly how I did it. And of course, we made 50-pound bags of it. We didn't do little 8 ounces. We did 50-pound bags, and I did it in big pots. Yeah, a white rice, and come out fine every time. Of course, over here we got our green beans cooking back here as well. Give them a stir. I had to cut that off. Warm my green beans up, and I got my pork chops in the pork steaks in the oven cooking. We're gonna have a good meal here, y'all. Smothered pork steak with fluffy white rice and green beans, y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back when it's halfway through the process, and we'll show you from there. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, see this? Look at this here. I'm cutting the rice off right now. See, you got just a little liquid, not much. I'm turning it off. This rice is pretty much perfectly cooked. See that? Now, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of spread it out like this. I'm gonna lay my butter on top of here. Just like this. And I'm gonna cover it, just like that. For about 15, 20 minutes. I'm not gonna do nothing to it. I cut it off, everything. After 15, 20 minutes, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna mix that butter in there. You're gonna have nice, fluffy rice every time. It took about 15 minutes to cook this rice, y'all. It took me no long 15 minutes to cook this rice, and it is absolutely gonna be perfect when I come back in about 15, 20 minutes. We're gonna come back, we're gonna fluff it up, and I'm gonna show you how you can make perfect rice every time. It is nothing, there's no trick to it, there's no science to it. You do two parts liquid, 1 part rice, put it in there, bring it to a boil, stir it every 5 minutes or so till the liquid is almost gone, cover it up, let it sit 15, 20 minutes on the stove, flawless. You can't mess it up. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back in about 15, 20 minutes and show you the finished product. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, y'all. All right, we're going to take the lid off here. See this? All I'm going to do, y'all, you can take a spoon. I'll take a rubber spatula. See, just fluff it up. See that? See that? See how beautiful that rice is? It's not sticky. It's not overcooked. See that? Perfectly cooked, hot buttered rice. See that? See that rice? Fluffy, perfectly. It's nothing to it, y'all. Some people are intimidated by rice. It's nothing to be intimidated by. Nothing to be intimidated by. Look at that. We got nice fluffy rice, not stuck together, perfectly cooked, not overcooked, nothing. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here. I got my, let me show y'all here. Cover this back up. Over here, y'all see my green bean. I got some pork steaks I just took out the, look at that, smothered. Let me get my spoon here, y'all. Got some pork steaks in here. Got nice smothered pork steak. Look at that. So I'm gonna put a little rice on the plate there, the pork steaks, a green bean. You gotta try it all together. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I got the right rice right here, y'all, just to show y'all. Look at that. Nice, fluffy, white rice. Of course, I had to make a plate here, too. Show you the rice with that gravy on there. Pork steak. Nice homemade green beans I made last summer. String beans, canned string beans. Let me show y'all how fluffy this rice is. Look at this. See that? Perfectly cooked, not stuck together. See that? That's a perfect rice. See that? Fluffy, not overcooked, not undercooked. I'm telling y'all, that's how rice supposed to be. That's how rice supposed to be, y'all. But anyway, you can make rice pudding out of this too. But I gotta eat my rice another way. So that fat on there for you, Kenneth. Little pork there, gravy. A green bean on there. I do have the rice on top, though. Look at that bite there, y'all. Wow. Wow. There's nothing like rice and gravy, right? Rice and gravy, look at that. Perfect. Perfection. Perfection. But anyway, a lot of y'all out there probably know how to cook rice. Some of y'all having difficulty with it. I just want to show y'all a little simple way to do it where you don't not intimidated by it. So anyway, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024, stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.